Oceanology International is for us a chance to connect with our customers and partners from all over the world. You see, Moga Software is based in Italy, but we have customers in more than 50 different countries. So being able to meet face-to-face with all of them is a huge opportunity for us. Let me tell you, we are preparing for a very busy show. This market is gaining more and more momentum. It's still somewhat of a niche market, but new players and stakeholders are joining, and this trend is predicted to continue for quite a while. So at Oceanology International, we have a chance to witness all of that. As for 3 days, the whole industry is gathered in one place. So I'd say that for us, it's going to be busy and interesting at the same time.